So there's this one photo I saw on Instagram, which I want to recreate. Tre Cime from some narrow bridge in front of it. Drove a little further, found a place for the night. We're located right beneath Tre Cime, and now I think we have enough time to hike up there and see it for today. We're currently walking in the rain on the way to a viewpoint of Tre Cime. We're still climbing, but no viewpoint of Tre Cime yet. So there's this one photo I saw on Instagram, which I want to recreate. So this is the first day of location scouting and looking where the place might be. So we're hiking for an hour and a half to Tre Cime. We're gonna see if we're gonna find the location. I wouldn't say today is the easiest day to find the exact location. We woke up at the foot of Tre Cime today. It's still very cloudy and rained a lot last night. We're hiking underneath Tre Cime. We woke up at 5 o'clock to see if we could go for the sunrise hike, but it was so cloudy we couldn't even see the next car. And tomorrow we'll try again at 5 o'clock in the morning. We will be back for a third try to grab the photo. All of a sudden it's all clearing up a little bit. Now we can see around us. This might be the place. Not sure. Just like that you can see the clouds are rolling back in. It's foggy again. I've done some research and I think I know where the place is. Over that hill, which is not even visible anymore. So tomorrow morning we will go there. It's 7 o'clock in the evening. Woo. First time it's dry since I think 2 o'clock in the afternoon. First time it's clear skies, sort of clear skies, there and even there. So we are being hopeful for tomorrow morning. The alarm will go at 4:45. We will leave at 5 so we can catch the sunrise after a hike of an hour and a half at the Tre Cime. We will see. For now we will prepare the car for tomorrow morning. We're off to the Tre Cime. We made it to the Tre Cime and the morning glow. Woo! Jesus! Woo! The last hill. Tre Cime. There we are. And we're so close now. Sun is rising, I think 10 minutes. Look at the fog, the mountains. Yes, this is the place. We found the place, getting some photos now, waiting for the right light. Got it.
Down to the floor, now let me see your hips. Uh-oh, lean back, girl, you got some mean racks. You got a mean ass, and I really mean that. But can't you see that I need a girl that can move, make her hips and look just like you.
So there's Tre Cime. This is the house. You walk over the hill, around this hill, and then down below here, those are the peaks. A little bit of clouds rolling in from behind us with this backdrop. After the photo plays, he walks around the Tre Cime from the back side. It's getting cloudy and the sun is less harsh, so the light is maybe a little bit more soft. So we're going up there again. There, this morning there was all fog and cloud. Now you can see the whole valley.
The city never sleeps at night. It's time to begin, isn't it? I get a little bit bigger than that. I'll admit I'm just the same as I was. Now don't you understand that I'm never changing who I am?
That's how I got the picture I wanted since I saw it. It's 2 o'clock, so we've been hiking or being active for more or less 9 hours because we started at 5 in the morning. But for now, we will just enjoy our little van.
Don't